Look at this map. 3 confirmed tornadoes in Colorado yesterday. These all happened yesterday. 2 down in Kiowa County, and then 1 in rural northeastern Weld County, about 20-30 miles to the northeast of Greeley near the town of New Raymer. So we had 1 confirmed previously, and now the Weather Service is taking another look at all the radar data and the spotted reports, and 3 confirmed tornadoes in Colorado yesterday. It's very unlikely that we would have a tornado in our state today, and certainly we're not anticipating anything like that near the Front Range. In fact, the threat for any severe weather in Metro Denver is extremely small. All these clouds and the cool temperatures helping to keep things just a little too stable for severe weather. But in Douglas County, there is some what we'll call at least moderate, if not heavy rain falling around Highlands Ranch and south down 85 and south down on I-25 toward Castle Pines and Castle Rock. I would not be surprised if there's a little small hail falling in portions of Douglas County as well. We do not anticipate any hail large enough to do any significant damage here along the Front Range today, at least nowhere north of Monument Hill. But again, in this area, Highway 85, Interstate 25, Castle Pines, and Highlands Ranch, definitely some rain falling, but nothing showing up there on the hail indicator as of right now. So as we zoom back out, take a look here at the state view. You can see there's plenty more rain to come, plenty of shower activity in the mountains as well as on the western slope, and of course, all those lightning strikes you see being tracked across the state. We'll add the satellite imagery here. You can see there's a lot of cloud cover. The storm system responsible for all this is actually over here in Kansas, and that's where there's a much higher threat for severe weather. In fact, this area is shaded in orange here. They're very concerned about hail, wind, and tornadoes. Wichita and Oklahoma City, portions of West Texas today as well. The severe weather threat in Colorado really just in this green shaded area here. That does include Colorado Springs, where there's a marginal threat, and then a slight risk down in Pueblo. So later on today, we may be hearing about some severe weather down south of the Denver metro area. But for Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins, I think all we'll have is some rain, some lightning, maybe some small hail, and some gusty winds. It's going to come as 2 rounds. This first round this afternoon, that's going to move out onto the eastern plains. And again, some of these storms down here in southern Colorado will really strengthen. And there's going to be another round that comes on through this evening. We'll wrap that one up by around midnight. And by the way, that is some blue you're seeing in the mountains here on the Futurecast. It will snow above 10,000 feet, especially overnight tonight, but no accumulation is expected. Taking a look here at the bigger picture, as that storm system in Kansas moves away from us, tomorrow overall is going to be a drier day. Still the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, but not nearly as much as today. And then Thursday should be mainly dry, almost statewide, much warmer on Thursday, mid-80s. And then a cold front comes through as we get into Friday. And that means a cooler and wetter weather pattern as we get into Friday and the weekend. Temperatures today will stay on the cool side as well. Lower 70s around Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins. And I'm being optimistic with that because right now we're at 60 degrees. But tomorrow, I feel a lot more confident about these numbers. Highs in the lower 80s around here tomorrow. That warming trend continues into Thursday with a high of 86 degrees. And then the first day of summer is on Friday. And wouldn't you know it, we cool right back down just as summer starts. 73 for a high temperature, 60% chance of rain on Friday. Same thing on Saturday. Both Friday and Saturday will be similar days. Less of a chance of rain on Sunday. And then, Dominic, next week, the weather pattern looks to shift. In fact, as we get into the final few days of June, the end of next week, we'll probably experience the warmest temperatures we've had all year. We haven't hit 90 yet. I think it's at least possible that a little more than a week from now, we could be talking at least upper 80s to near 90. So if you're ready for some big-time summer-like heat, it's coming.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
You got 1 week. Get your AC working.
Thanks.
Yeah.